Your Pixel phone's camera has different modes depending on what type of photo you want to capture or the scene that you are capturing. These modes are listed on the Photo Mode carousel. To add yourself into a group photo that you're taking, select Add Me. Before you take the first photo, move the camera to scan the area around the subjects. Make sure you leave room for yourself in the frame. Tap the shutter button. Hand your Pixel to another person from the group so you can join the scene. The second photographer needs to align the phone with the frame. If the frame is red, the phone is not correctly aligned. When the frame turns white, the second photographer can tap the shutter button again. The new group photo will include you in the frame. To take a portrait photo, select Portrait. In portrait mode, your camera takes a photo with the background blurred. On Pixel 10, you can adjust the strength of the background blur by tapping the Controls button and adjusting the blur slider. Tap the shutter button. When you're in a dark environment, the camera will automatically switch to night sight mode. You'll see the night sight icon on the shutter button. To take a photo using night sight, tap the shutter button. Then hold the phone still until the photo is taken. To take a panoramic photo, select Panorama. Tap the shutter button. Then slowly move the phone horizontally, following and pausing briefly on the white dots to stay in line. Tip: for faraway scenes, you can also capture a panorama using the telecamera. Just tap 5x before pressing the shutter button. To capture a moving subject in sharp focus while blurring the background, select Action Pan. While your subject is in motion, follow your subject in the center of the frame. Tap the shutter button. To add blur to moving photos, select Long Exposure. Tap the shutter button, then hold the phone still until the photo is taken.